Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on your computer without losing data on your computer. Now you can go ahead and open this link. This link is provided in the video description. Now over here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. So this is the best option for installing Windows 11 on your device you are currently using. So click on download now. So click on download now and then run this exe file and then follow the on-screen instruction to upgrade to Windows 11. Now you can also upgrade to Windows 11 using media creation tool. So you can go ahead and download this tool now. So click on download now. And once the download is done, run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now it will go ahead and load media creation tool on your computer. Now click on accept. Now select the language, then select the Windows as Windows 11, and this is Windows 11 selected by default. So click on next, and then you have to go ahead and download the ISO file. We are not doing a clean installation, so we will not make a bootable flash drive. So you can go ahead and select ISO file and then click on next, and it will start downloading the Windows 11. So you can go ahead and select the location as desktop and then click on save. Now it will go ahead and start downloading Windows 11. So let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, now go to desktop. Over here you can see the Windows ISO file over here. Make a right click and you can click on mount and you can go ahead and run this setup file, or you can simply make a double click on Windows ISO file and then run this setup file. So make a double click over here, click on yes to allow, and this will open the setup. Now you can go ahead and put a check on the box if you want to. I want to make the installation better, and over here if you click over here, change how setup downloads update. Now you can go ahead and put a check. By default this will be checked, which says download update drivers and optional features. So let this be checked over here and then click on next, and it will go ahead and check for updates. Let the process complete. Now go ahead and accept the terms. So click on accept, and it will again check for updates. So let the process complete. Now on the next screen over here you can see by default the option to keep personal file and apps would be checked. Now when this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So let this be checked and then click on next, and it will start checking the update once again. Now on this screen here you can see ready to install Windows 11, and then keep personal files and apps is checked by default. So you will not lose any data when this is checked. Then click on install. Now here you can see it's installing Windows 11 right now. Now this process will take time and your computer will restart several times during the process. And after the installation you can go ahead and log into your Windows 11 and you should have Windows 11 installed on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.